Hello everyone, this is Winston with Business Darlings Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to upgrade the RAM in the Unibody 13-inch MacBook Pro. On a soft surface, place your MacBook on its lid with the front facing you. Using a size 00 Phillips head screwdriver, remove the perimeter screws from the bottom cover. Notice that there are 10 screws around the perimeter of this cover. With the screws removed, lift the bottom cover straight off and set it aside. With the cover removed, you'll see a green chip just above the battery. This is your RAM. Though you only see one green chip, there are actually two, one behind the other. Before removing, take notice of the two tabs on each side of the RAM socket. Using your thumbs, pull these tabs outward until both chips pop up to a 25-degree angle. Then you can gently remove the chips from the socket. As you remove each RAM chip, you'll notice that there is a notch cut into the top of each chip. There is also a corresponding tab in the socket on the motherboard. This ensures proper insertion. Install the new RAM beginning with the bottom socket. Line the notch up with the tab in the socket and push as far as you can gently, and once the RAM chip stops, then just press it down until you hear a click. You're going to repeat this process with the top socket. Now that both have clicked into place, you're ready to reinstall the back cover. Once the back cover is in place, make sure all the screw holes and screws are lined up properly. When tightening the screws, be sure not to over-tighten as you can strip the screw. For more tips on how to run your business efficiently, browse our website at www.businessdarlings.com.